Introduction. In the heart of the Caribbean, a movement rooted in resistance and spiritual awakening unfolds. Today, we explore the profound ceremonies and rituals of Rastafarianism, a path that connects the soul to the ancestral lands of Africa through the lens of peace, love, and unity. The Nyabinghi Order. Central to Rastafarian worship is the Nyabinghi Order, a gathering that transcends the physical to connect with the divine. Through the rhythmic heartbeat of drums, the community unites in a powerful expression of solidarity, chanting hymns that echo the struggles and triumphs of their ancestors. Groundation Day. Groundation Day commemorates the visit of Emperor Haile Selassie I to Jamaica on April 21, 1966. This day is marked by grand ceremonies, where the air fills with the scent of ceremonial herbs and the sound of conch shells, signifying the presence of the divine king among his people. Reasoning Sessions. Reasoning sessions are the soulful heart of Rastafarian dialogue. Here, brethren and sisters share thoughts and meditations over the sacred chalice, passing wisdom like the flame that burns within it. It's a moment of truth-seeking, grounded in the respect for every voice in the circle. The Ital Diet. Rastafarian rituals extend to the nurturing of the body through the Ital Diet, a testament to living in harmony with the earth. This plant-based diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and grains, is a spiritual practice, embodying purity, life, and respect for all living things. Conclusion. Rastafarian ceremonies and rituals offer a window into a world where spirituality intertwines with the rhythm of everyday life. In their unity, resistance, and reverence for the earth, we find a powerful message of love, peace, and the enduring strength of a people connected by faith and history. Outro. Join us as we continue to explore the rich tapestry of cultures and beliefs that weave together the human story. Remember, understanding and respect are the bridges that connect us all. One love.